before and after here, before and after. Yep, we just did a photo. All right, so what a mess. What a mess. This is the HDMI, and there's another thick one right next to it, and then there's this one that just hangs out. So let's get the one that hangs out completely out of the way. And we'll use this beautiful stuff here. It says right rear. Oh man, tape is really a problem. I'm just failing. Let's put it right over that wire so it doesn't act up on me. Yeah, that went well. The taping not going well. Here we go. Why me? I know you're looking at my back. I know. Joe. Oh. What am I doing wrong here? Son of a... Oh man, this doesn't go well. Sticky stuff. See how it's sticky on that side. We just want to go around 50 times. Done deal. Get up here. All right, now we got this big thick bitch. And we got this one way over here, which is HDMI going to the Roku. Gotcha. So that needs to get up. This needs to go up and at 'em. Okay, so you see my first taping, not that good here. And whoa, look at all those wires. Did those just pull out? Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, we got the Roku. 822.35. That's the HDMI to what? Let's move this around. It's too big and bulky. Too big and bulky. That goes to the Roku. Okay. And there goes that. Okay, this is one line. That's lengthy enough, and then this one is not lengthy enough. So you got a problem. Yeah, that's got to get pulled up and out there. A little bit more. Okay. Now you got this whole thing hanging out there, and that will go on there too. And looks like we've made an error, and we have a wire here. Far side of this. I can't even believe it, but that's, I don't know. Video, it says. I really don't understand. Okay, well it says video. We're going to hook these up. Blue. Red, I said red, and green, right there. You cannot see these. There's a yellow one missing. Oh no. Alright, so spin that around. Not a problem. That's all set. This is the Apple TV. Something's broken off of that. Alright, so this, I think, want to go on top. Like that. what's missing here. We got HDMI missing, which is not this one. This one. It doesn't matter which one it is. This one. Right there. Okay. Whoa, that goes to that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And the Roku goes to that. No? Oh, the HDMI goes to that. Alright. That's just for that. Okay. Roku doesn't have that. So we're going to be, so since this has got to go from that side all the way to this side, and then up, we're going to shorten this just a little. And I think what we're going to do is we're just going to tie it around this one. This HDMI for the Apple TV. I'm just going to wrap it around here twice before we go up. Did you say 3 times? Okay, 3 times. Before it goes up. Okay, and then that's the power cord, so be careful with that. But we could just put a couple of these here, and that should be good. That should be good. Put some tape. You like tape? I like the tape. Tape it. Straight up over there. Apple TV. Apple TVs. Mamma mia. There you go. Alright, now you got this one here. Goes to the head. Don't look so bad. That one is the power, so that can't get messed up. So I'm going to call this a good move here. Wrap this up. Wrap that up. Tape is great. Okay, got that. Roku's going to sit on the top of everything. So it should really go like this. Power. Power is the shortest one. Okay, so that'll be fine. A little twisted, huh? Stay not twisted, huh? Just impossible for you. Okay. So let's put that on top of that. To that's the eyeball thing, digital eyeball. And then the last one way over here looks like speakers. That's going up to this one here. And there we go. Like this. You see? What is this? What is this? Unknown, unneeded. Alright, we're done up here. This is an AM antenna. You know, best to just leave it hanging out here. We'll find a place for it. Actually, we're going to put it way over there. And maybe we'll staple it or tape it. Yeah. Okay, everything's looking good. Everything's sounding good. Everything's grooveness. And move that all the way over. And there it goes. And this we'll figure it out later. And now we're going to turn this. Okay. Turn this. Some of the bitches. Mamma mia's. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, something's tight here. A bit tight.
Hey, man, start over again, sorry. Oh. Yeah.
Okay. That looks great. It's a nice unit, I have to say. Okay, now you got the Apple TV. Can hang out right there. Very accessible. And then you've got this Roku thing. It has to be here too. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Boom. Upper part's done.
Okay.
Now we're going to tighten up the bottoms.
No.
Stand by.
No. I already got there for my daughter. No. I got 4 auto ones from somebody else, and I went to Walmart, just came back, and they had none of them. He said, they're all sold online.
All
Well,
kinds
I
of
looked
weird
online,
things here. This
and
says
they found
what?
that one called Emitrol.
Then you can't read some of
And
this
it's
front
supposed
something.
to be at Walmart at this store. The guy I talked to, he didn't know what they were doing. I ain't going.
These are not speakers. These blue ones are audio or video. As you can see, this does nothing. I don't know what to tell you here. Audio. No, it doesn't go there. It doesn't go there. Audio out. See, there's a left and a right. There's no more blue lines down there.
But you know, you can go online and they will get to that store in a day.
Okay. Not looking too bad here. There's certainly crap that shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
Okay. So that stays right there. How can we keep that there? I would like to tape it. Just a temporary situation.
Oh,
Yeah, a few more minutes. This is going to be all pretty.
oh hell yeah, there's a wall with it.
Organized and a little bit clean. Cleaner.
Oh. Okay. All right, cool.
Okay, that's the power. Apparently these are all needed Dilios for speakers. What we'll do...
I just came back. I didn't read it yet. Yeah, sure that. We don't need that anyway.
This is the speaker, the all these can hang here and be fine. And then these can go inside. Fix those. And this one. Okay. Let's get some cable ties, please. They're way over there.
It took me about an hour and a half yesterday to change my bed. It's getting hard. Yes. Isn't it? Yeah.
Oh,
I got electric
nice
bed, so I
cable
can
ties.
raise
They
the
break
bed
right away.
good and get the sheet
Oh,
on.
see what happens when you don't.
It's really, and then I can put the top on, and then
We'll
I
find
can,
that brand
then I
again.
can raise, then I put it back down, and
Does
then
it?
I can raise the foot. And then put the bottom on, it's coming in. But it still took me a while.
I'm just gonna put all that together like that, and it's gonna look wonderful. Cable tie coming up.
This noisy as shit, but they ain't got it. I don't give a shit, I'm going, I'm coming. If I die, I give a shit. And, now, wait a minute now, I looked at the studio has got a bedroom with one bed, and then the living room has got sofa.
Okay, then you got these
That's
blue.
all there is.
No, that's a black one. That's HDMI for the
Well, I thought you said you got a studio.
CD DVD player. Well, this one goes nowhere. It's yellow.
Oh,
So I don't know. Let's
Well,
just
shit.
put it in here.
Well, I looked at the wrong one.
What do we care?
I looked at the
Plug
wrong
it in. Who cares? Yeah,
No,
it's
I know
yellow
that.
and
That's
yellow.
why it's gonna be cool.
Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it right here. Cable tie, please. Appreciate it. Yeah, one that's
No, I know, the temperature's gonna be dropping here already. Yeah, we ain't gonna be doing much, we might go to the hot tub, but that's about it. But it's called the Winter Resort.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, Grand Desert.
That goes that way. We can't touch that. But we do have these,
Windham.
and we do have that. This. And all these go to the DVD player.
Oh, well, yeah, I've been there.
And we could put a couple
dozen
of
times.
things there. And that's already there.
That's all, I know. We'll take a ride, but we wanna go to
That's
the
already there.
dam and park there and walk up, we're gonna walk up on top of the bridge, take some pictures. And, yeah, and then I would go around the lake. There's a lot of stuff I can do. I know how to do around there. Right. Yeah, you know where to go. Wyndham Grand Resort, right? Oh, Grand Desert. Yeah, don't forget that. Those are damn sure. There's a lot of guys around here.
Okay, that's it. That's better. Mucho better. I like
Well,
it.
it's not even 70 here. Here.
That's, you can see what's going on now.
That'd be cold
Okay.
enough for me.
So we'll do it before and after.
Wyndham Grand Resort.
You know,
That's the one.
could it be more perfect? Yeah, but you don't have to because it's not seen.
Grand Desert, yeah.
As long as it's organized and I can look back there and see what it all is.
It's on, no they don't, it's Club Wyndham Grand Desert. That's all it says.
All right.
And we'll have two,
So anyway, the next thing we're gonna do is, before I clean this up and run the vacuum, is we're gonna tidy up these wires, bunch them all, tape those all up, and throw them back there, and then move this back, which is heavy. My God,
yeah.
it's a heavy biatch.
I think you're right,
And then we're gonna see if we can hook up this light some way too. I think I'll do that first. I'll go right to this power strip. Yeah, that'd be smart. So over and out. That's it, class. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed watching my back. Have a good day, class. Comment, like, subscribe, and share the video if you could. I appreciate it. Bye-byes. 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 You hear that noise in the background?